Good afternoon, students. Today we will learn our remaining topics of the energy, in which we energy expenditure, then obesity, starvation, satiety value we complete. Total energy calorie requirement for different age group and diseases. The calorie requirement varies with age, gender, physical activity. Beyond 60 years of age, a 10% decrease from the total calorie requirement is made. Calorie requirement depend on age, gender, physical activity. For male, different calorie required. For female, different calories are required. For age group, for small children to aged person, there are different calorie requirement. Physical activity, which person is sedentary or active, depends, it will depend on the calorie intake. And age, 60, beyond 60 years of age, calorie requirement is decreases from 10%. Then energy requirement. Since energy and nutrient are derived from carbohydrate, protein and fats, their requirement can be known. 60 to 70% of your total calorie requirement should be obtained from carbohydrate. Within this place greater importance on complex carbohydrate than simple carbohydrates. Protein, you need 0.8 to 1 gram protein per kg of your ideal body weight. Example, if your body weight is 65 kg, the requirement is 52 to 65 grams. Then fat, this should not exceed 20 to 25% of your total calorie requirement. Use less of fat from animal sources. Example, butter, ghee. So energy requirement from carbohydrate 60 to 70%, from protein 0.8 to 1 gram, and fat, this should not exceed 20 to 25% of your total calorie requirement. Then satiety value. Satiety value is the degree at which food gives a human the sense of food gratification, the exact contrast feeling of hunger. भूख लगती है जब जैसा फीलिंग होता है उससे कॉन्ट्रास्ट फीलिंग मीन्स सटाइटी वैल्यू. The concept of satiety value and satiety index was developed by an Australian researcher and Dr. Susanna Holt. Highest satiety value is expected when the food that remains in the food for a longer time produces greatest functional activity of the organ. Limiting the food intake after reaching the satiety value help reduce obesity problem. So that's why in gym they give food to the diet to the people which have a high satiety value, like this food with great satiety value, cabbage, as it does not contribute much weight gain. Milk is considered as one of the rich product for higher satiety value. Green vegetables has the lowest satiety value when compared to milk and meat. Liquid foods have high satiety effect for a short period. When anybody wants to reduce his weight, then they can intake high satiety value food to reduce obesity, because it fulfill the contrast feeling of the hunger and food gratification. Then energy imbalance, obesity and starvation. Obesity and starvation means energy imbalance. Obesity is defined as abnormal or excessive fat accumulation that may impair health. Body mass index is a simple index of weight for height that is commonly used to classify overweight and obesity in adults. It is defined as person's weight in kg divided by the square of height in meters. Overweight if BMI more than obesity, and obesity means BMI more than 30. Fundamental cause of obesity and overweight is an energy imbalance between calories consumed and calories expended. An increased intake of energy dense food that are high in fat, and an increase in physical activity due to the increasingly sedentary nature of many forms of work, changing modes of transportation and increasing urbanization is the causes of obesity. Intake of high energy dense food, high in fat, and increase in physical inactivity due to the increasingly sedentary nature of many forms of work, changing modes of transportation and increasing urbanization. Then starvation. Starvation is due to energy imbalance. Starvation is a severe deficiency in calorie energy intake. Obesity means high calorie intake, and starvation means deficiency in calorie energy intake below the level needed to maintain an organism's life. It is the most extreme form of malnutrition in humans. Prolonged starvation can cause permanent organ damage and eventually death. The basic cause of starvation is an imbalance between energy intake and energy expenditure. In other words, the body expends more energy that it takes in. This imbalance can arise from one or more medical conditions. In obesity, energy intake is more and expenditure is less, and here in starvation energy intake is less and expenditure is more, so starvation takes place. Then limitation of the daily food guide. Daily food guide is a pyramid where they mention about the which type of food have to eat for a healthy body. Then but this food guide has some limitations. Food guide pyramid is a simple way of knowing what are the kinds of food one need to consume and in what amount to ensure good health. It is obvious that there is interplay of nutrient in the body. When we talk about nutrients, it is important to know the quantity, that is how much to take. This can be well understood by the concept of food guide pyramid. This can form a foundation for a good diet selection nutrients.